Hey guys, you're tuning in with me, Miss Self Development, and I'm sure you're excited to learn how to lucid dream today. I'm going to share with you guys some things about lucid dreaming that is going to blow your mind, pretty much my experience with it, and just a bit about history. So make sure you stay tuned. So I will get into the exact steps so you too can learn how to control your dream. It's so important, and why you want to do that, how you can be solving problems, how you can be basically breaking open the keys, the tools for your subconscious mind, because that is what you're tapping into. When I had my lucid dream, I wanted to solve a problem. My best friend at the time had given me this ring. It was like a little diamond stud ring from Tiffany's that we shopped together to get, and I couldn't find it. I'm so bad with jewelry. So what happened is I just really wanted to find this ring, and that's all that was on my brain. So of course, while I was training myself and reading the techniques of LeBerg, and once it happened to work, which literally took me about a week's time, I had my first lucid dream in a week after just doing the work that I learned from this book. There's so much history when it comes to dreams. Dreams have inspired rulers, artists, inventors, scientists, all the way back to biblical times. First step is, you listening? The first step is you have to get in the habit of asking yourself, am I in a dream? Simple. Am I in a dream? So it's like you're programming yourself to get comfortable enough to keep asking yourself that while you're awake, like in different intervals of the day, you're going to be asking, am I in a dream? Am I in a dream? Am I dreaming? So that's the first step. So I would ask myself those questions throughout the day, and it's like I'm programming myself. And eventually, when I first had that first lucid dream, it hit, and I realized I'm dreaming, and asked myself the question. This was the most craziest part, the answering yourself back while in the dream. So now you know, you said yes, and you answered yourself while you're in a dream, and now you know that lucid dream has begun. You can take the controls and do whatever you need to do while you're in the dream. So like I said, I wanted to find this ring that I could not find. So I asked myself the question, where's the ring? Like, I know what I'm talking about. This is your subconscious here. You're breaking open your subconscious so that it can give you the answers. So whatever it is you can use this for, try it. You must try it. So in that whole dream, what happened is myself is answering me back, but not only that, better than that, it showed me visuals. So I actually saw exactly the place that the ring was at. I could see the floor. I could see the exact point of where it was. So the moment that I woke up out of that dream, I'm rushing with adrenaline. I'm excited, and I just want to see how real this is. So I just followed straight what was shown to me in the dream visually, and there it was. It was in a corner underneath a dresser in my bedroom. Just like it showed me in the dream, that's where it was. Now, you know I was blown away. I had to call everybody that day and let them know that I had this lucid dream for the first time and how amazing it was. Yeah, so pretty much how you do it is make sure you're training yourself throughout the day. You're programming yourself to ask yourself the question. And then the moment that while in the dream, you get that chance to ask that question and you answer yourself back, yes, you're in the money. Use it for problem solving. Use it for whatever it is that you need to ask, you know. You're unlocking your subconscious mind while having lucid dreams. It is so powerful and extreme, you know. I've heard people say that it's not, the reports and critics have said that it's not as simple as LeBerg has said it to be. But he utilizes tools that cost a lot of money in order to get your mind in that lucid dream phase. However, I didn't use any of that. It was just simply asking myself that question and programming myself, right? And they say like some people comes very much natural for, and a lot of people more than little, it's harder for them. However, like I said, I had my first lucid dream in a matter of that week. And nevertheless, that I do think that it helps that I was already on that wave of understanding the power of the subconscious mind. You gotta believe it to see it, right? That helped, because I also feel like some of the stuff that I picked up from the book was also in the book, The Power of the Subconscious Mind, and it kind of tips on those notes of, being able to get in a dream state and use it for problem solving. So with anyone, hopefully you have such a successful story as I had with lucid dreaming. It was fascinating. I have not had another one since then, sadly to say, but my next thing I would be able to share with you guys is another practice, which is called image streaming, and I've learned this in multiple different ways as well, including going to India to learn this. I will teach about that, so make sure you subscribe so you can get more information and know that we have to be connecting the dots, right, for the betterment of all of us. And that's what we're doing here. We have powers, guys. We have powers. So connect the dots, because it's not just a one thing. You're using your brain so that you can activate in all different ways yourself, inner powers for the outer, because that's how you're going to manifest in your awakened states, right? You really manifest some crazy things in the power of utilizing your dreams. Dream states are real.